sponsored by Hollyland. This tiny mic just killed the cable era. Meet the world's first launch 32-bit wireless audio monitoring system with AI noise cancellation. It's the Hollyland Lark Max 2, and it's about to change every YouTube setup, podcast, and pro shoot you'll see this year. In fact, I swapped out my typical Lark M2 and I'm using the Max 2 right now, and I'll have a link down in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. I think you're going to want to. There was a time when great audio meant running cables everywhere, lugging around heavy recorders, and always crossing your fingers that your backup didn't fail. Now, here are 3 reasons it makes other run and gun setups feel ancient. First, just look at this design. Each transmitter is 14 grams, lighter than a AAA battery, and still records 32-bit float audio directly to 8 gigabytes of internal onboard storage. That means you get studio-grade dynamic range, a built-in safety track, and zero fear of clip dialogue or peaking laughs. And if the wireless link ever drops, your take is still safe inside the mic. The mic itself uses a unique hover clip that snaps securely onto clothing with no drooping or sagging, and it's coated with a skin-friendly nano finish. So you can wear it all day, even on marathon shoots. And they also included these little sleeves in the box that can attach to the clip, which make them magnetic, although I do wish that you can keep these on the mics at all times while storing them in the charging case. But when you have them on, they're a little bit too big to fit. So just don't lose these. That's already above and beyond most mic kits, but audio isn't just about what you record, it's also about what you don't pick up. And that's where the AI gets wild. Hollyland's new AI engine scrubs wind, traffic, and crowd noise at the press of a button. And when you enable that feature, the background chatter and noises just vanished while my voice stayed crisp. Outdoors, voice stays up front and chaos fades out. So if you're doing something unique like shooting a video on a windy rooftop, or maybe you're filming at a street fair or just next to a busy road, the AI noise canceling just locks onto your voice and leaves the chaos behind, so you sound pro no matter where you're shooting. And when you pair that with a 300-meter range and 11-hour battery, or 36 hours with the included charging case, this mic system can basically follow you anywhere. It comes in the box with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, so you're good to go if you're having a one-on-one discussion. So you're covered for quality, and background noise gets vaporized. But what if you could hear your own mic feed wirelessly without even plugging in headphones? That's the kind of trick that changes how you shoot. And it's also the next headline feature of the Lark Max 2, those being these wireless open ear monitoring earbuds that are also included in the package. So you open these up, take one out or both, and then you just clip it behind your ear. Tap on the touchpad, and now you're wirelessly monitoring the feed from the receiver with no cables and no latency. So if you need to hear yourself for some reason, you could wear one or both. Or if you want someone else to monitor the audio, now they can do that while wearing these without having to stand wired to the receiver and camera area. These are open ear earbuds, which mean they sit above your ear canal, so you can still hear the real world around you, which is great for onset awareness, while an adjustable slider lets you boost or duck the monitor level on the fly. In hands-on shoots, the wireless monitoring actually makes it easier to catch background noise or audio dropouts before they ruin a take. So to reiterate, good audio used to mean a rat's nest of XLR cables, chunky recorders, and wired headphones dangling around your neck. The Lark Max 2 completely obliterates that complexity. It's the first mic kit that lets creators record, backup, noise clean, and monitor all completely wire-free. If you're serious about leveling up your video sound without leveling up the hassle, this might be the most future-proof mic you can get today. Again, I have a link down in the description if you want to pick one up for yourself. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andru, and I will catch you in the next video.